Hello again, everyone. Welcome to another edition of Virginia Rider Magazine. I'm your host, Mark Ritchie, and today we're also doing our intro from the bike because it's too f***ing cold outside. It's not exactly that cold. It's 39 degrees according to Wendy's info display, but that usually results in a bit of a chill for my mangina. So today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to do a video entitled Lame Excuses to Ride. And this isn't going to be from the standpoint of bikers or motorcycle enthusiasts. It's going to be for the benefit of the cagers out there. So we appreciate having you along, and we hope you enjoy this video on Virginia Rider Magazine. So today we're going to talk about lame excuses to ride. And if you ride a motorcycle, you know, the struggle and hardships are very real on what to do if your motorcycle is parked in your driveway or garage. So most cagers don't know why we go 50, 100, 150 or more miles to get something or see something or do something, and there's really no way to explain it. The best I've come up with so far is it's an addiction for which there is no cure or need for one, and that only begins to explain why we go these distances for lame things. I can think of one at the top of my list was a postage stamp, and while that may eclipse some folks' lists, but if you think about it, especially during this time of year, how far would you drive to experience a relatively empty post office? And if you have a motorcycle, it's extremely a no-brainer. Many of us find ourselves, especially if you have a big touring bike with saddlebags, tour packs, you know, luggage racks, things like that, you can substitute, I didn't know if that was a rock, the bike for the car in a lot of instances because of its carrying capacity. Incidentally, we're on Virginia 250 West in Highland County. We're just left McDowell on our way to Monterey. Some pretty sights of the creek along the way. So what have been some of your lame excuses to ride? I'd be curious to know, you know, what it was that you got on the bike for and how far away you went. Today's ride is to get toilet paper, amongst some other things, but you know, that's something you would definitely drive in a car for, but not necessarily go out of your way for. Some of the other things that I've gone out of my way for on a motorcycle would be a cup of coffee, ice cream, which if you own a bike, that's not such a wild idea, especially in the summer months. That's actually very appealing. We're approaching Jack Mountain, which has a very unique set of twisties. Thank you, Mr. Truck. nice stretch of road here. It's all uphill from McDowell, and it's always a bit of a treat when you don't reel in some traffic along the way, especially in the form of a truck, because after that straightaway we were just on, there's just no room to pass. So we were talking about lame excuses to ride. As some of you know, these videos are completely unscripted, and a lot of the dialogue, if not all of it, is off the top of my head, which is a very small thing. And usually provides some fill-ins for comic relief. But we want to keep everybody engaged and not, do these videos just for the sake of doing videos. There's a bunch more roads out there that I realize this time of year not everybody's going to crack the motorcycle and head out to check out a road or some cool destination when it's 39 degrees out. So we're going to try and keep everybody engaged with topical discussions. So please feel free to leave a comment about your lame excuse to ride. If you haven't already done so, hop on over to our website at virginiawriter.com and sign up for your free digital subscription to Virginia Writer Magazine, and that'll give you something to look forward to every month. There's still some toy runs going on, some good excuses for you to hop on the motorcycle. Out here in Highland County, we usually have salt and cinders on the road, but we're pretty clear right now, so if you got the heated gear, it's still a lot of fun, great area to ride. We appreciate having you along with us, and we look forward to seeing you again down the road on Virginia Writer Magazine. Cheers.